I don't know about you, but sometimes I fall into the mechanic's trap. So when somebody comes in with a pain or an injury, sometimes it can be easy to get tunnel vision by, oh, let's look at the angle of this and the functionality of that and this orthopedic test and that orthopedic test. Of course you have to do them. They are important, and I'm not suggesting that they're not. But sometimes you can miss some other key factors that go into the pain experience. And so a great example of this is the nail in the boot story that came out of the British Medical Journal back in 1995. And basically it's a guy on a construction site that steps on a nail, and when he looks down, there's this nail going right through his boot. And as you might imagine, he is in extreme pain. He's screaming and, oh my God, a nail on my foot. And long story short, get him to the hospital, they cut off his boot, and as it turned out, the nail actually went between his toes. So there was absolutely no damage, there was no blood or anything. And once he saw that, his pain stopped. And then, a little embarrassed, but hey, better to be embarrassed than have a nail in your foot. So the main thing I want to highlight with this, and these are topics that we go through in the courses, is that pain is complicated and it's different for everybody. I mean, we have guidelines and textbooks and things like this course that can help decipher it for us and for our patients, but there are a lot of pieces to the pain pie. And mechanics, of course, are one of them. Trauma, of course, is another, but also, as we've seen with the nail in the boot, context and perception. So that's a taste of the topics that we go over in both the online courses that I have and also the live courses. And if you think that's of interest to you, could be beneficial to your practice and of course ultimately to your patients, then please sign up. We'll dig in even more about these kinds of topics that can really help your patients. And if it's not your deal, it's not your deal, that's okay. No pressure here, no pressure. And again, if it is, please sign up, and I look forward to seeing you in an upcoming course. All right, if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to email me.